Hi there and welcome to the channel Picture Book Creators. If you're a writer, illustrator, or new to the picture book creation process, you're in the right place. This channel is here to guide you all the way from idea to publishing, helping you to learn and understand everything that I know about picture book creation. My name is Mary Janelle. I'm an author, illustrator, and you guessed it, a picture book creator. Here on the channel, I create simple, practical videos that walk you through the steps, and I also design printable resources to help you actually do the work along the way. Some of my most popular videos here on the channel are about how to get your ISBNs, how to storyboard your manuscript, and my free writing class called Writing Picture Books, where you'll find right here on YouTube for free, called Writing Picture Books Playlist. You know how they say to create in the world what you wish existed? Well, I wished for a channel just like this one. I wished for step-by-step videos that were practical and inspiring, with a guide who was even just one step ahead of me. And I thought, you know, I'm gonna start that channel because I know I'll be in picture book creation for many years to come, and this is a perfect way for me to build community around me with like-minded individuals who want to create picture books that make a difference. In some of my earlier videos, you'll hear me figuring out what to do and offer here. You'll actually hear hopes and dreams, where I talk about having an online community, offering one-to-one mentorship. And in fact, as this channel has evolved and I have grown as not only a creator, but a YouTuber, I found that I needed to change my offerings. And so no matter what the older videos say, always check the links below for what I currently offer. Starting this channel has not been a whim, but it did take an incredible amount of focus for me to get the channel off the ground, and I'm nearing 1,000 subscribers, which is a big milestone in YouTube world. And as I near that milestone, I've also become very aware that my number one first priority as a creator was to write and publish, not to be a YouTuber. So I'm balancing some things out right now, and I'm gonna dial back a little bit on how many videos I put out and try to be very intentional with the videos so that they help you the most. That's why I always pay attention to your questions in the comments. I try to make a video about that so that this channel is really relevant and helping you along your picture book creation journey. Thank you for being here on the channel. I hope that you find these videos practical and inspiring. Until next time, picture book creators, keep creating.